This is an example of how to do a sale within the Rocket Point of Sale software package. This is our main menu with File, Inventory, Sales, Vendors, Reports, Time Clock, and About. There are two ways to get to the sales screen. There are actually four different types of sales screen. We have Cash Invoicing, Compact Keyboard Touch, and Pro Invoice. Most people like the Pro Invoice screen. There are many preset buttons that you can set up on the Pro Invoice screen which drill down to other screens. We will show you how to set up these buttons in another video. Now you can also get to the same screen by going to your customer screen, selecting the customer you want, and then hitting the invoice button. You'll notice this customer's name is now on the name slot. Now we could key in a part number, a SKU number, a description, or we could use our scanner, but for the purposes of this demonstration I'm going to show you how the buttons work. We'll say George Washington walks in, he wants to buy a Big Bertha golf club. So it puts it on the invoice screen instantly. You notice there is a picture associated with it. We can see the picture. Now he also says I'd like to buy 2 scuba tanks, so we can go over to our scuba, hit the number 2, it puts in 2 and hit tanks, and it returns with 2 in here in the invoice grid. Now if he says, well actually I wanted 2 Big Berthas, you can click on the Big Bertha line, hit edit, say I want 2, close the screen, now we have 2. He says that's all I want, so we're going to process this invoice. Now we're going to go up and we see he owes $3,386.38. For the purpose of this demonstration we're going to say he's paying with cash. Now notice our closeout button is not highlighted, but once he pays for it, it is highlighted. It is signaled here to print a receipt, but for this we're going to turn it off. It will come back to that preset setting the next invoice. We close out the ticket, the cash drawer pops open, we give him his change, and he's down the road, and we're back ready for another sale. And that concludes doing a very easy sale in the Rocket Point of Sale software.